Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video from Quick Guide, and in this video I'm going to show you how to download images from Midjourney site. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to download images from Midjourney site, you just simply have to open any of your browser and search for midjourney.com. Then after that, simply open the site of Midjourney, and then it will lead you to this page of showcase into here. Now you just simply have to select the picture which you want to download, and after that tap into these three bars at here. Just simply tap into three bars and then you will get the option of download. Now in order to download, just simply tap into that download button and you will get the image into different tab. Now you just simply have to tap a while into your screen and then you will get the option of download image. Tap into that option and after that your image will successfully be downloaded from the Midjourney site. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.